Welcome to my thatMuffinART channel. Sketch the horizon line. This will establish the base of the mountain and landscape. Roughly block in the shapes of your mountain. Use triangle, peaks and very tiered sizes for a natural look. Add rolling hills in front of the mountain with smooth curves. Define the valley between the mountain with gentle lines coming down from the peaks. Add detail the rides and within the mountain shapes. Use short, just line to create a rocky texture on the mountain. Draw additional peaks, sparkles behind larger ones to suggest depth. Add a line of a trace of the foothills of the mountain. Use triangle shapes for evergreen or clamps for dedication trace. And drawing a girl. And another layer of line with a layer to create mid-tone shadows for depth. Please subscribe my channel for more tutorial. A beautiful drawing there. Thank you for watching.